Shenzhen, a city that never ceases to amaze. From its humble beginnings as a fishing village, it's now a vibrant metropolis known for its futuristic skyscrapers and stunning cityscapes. Often referred to as the Silicon Valley of China, Shenzhen is a hotbed for tech innovation. It's home to tech giants like Huawei and Tencent, and countless startups that are shaping the future. But there's more to Shenzhen than just tech. It's a city of culture, with an array of museums, galleries, and theaters that cater to all tastes. And let's not forget the food. From mouth-watering street food to high-end dining, Shenzhen's culinary scene is as diverse as it is delicious. For the outdoor enthusiasts, there's the beautiful Damisha Beach, the tranquil Lianhua Mountain, and the expansive Shenzhen Bay Park, each offering a unique way to experience the city's natural beauty. And as the sun sets, Shenzhen transforms into a neon wonderland. The skyline, illuminated by countless lights, is a sight to behold. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a foodie, or just someone looking for a new adventure, Shenzhen has something for you. Come and experience it for yourself.